Well, we're on the moors with the ponies. We're on a different path today. I took the plunge and I've gone down by where they seem to be, and they are in a paddock over in that corner. So it's 6 o'clock at night, or PM evening, and it's 27 at 6 o'clock. That is very, very hot for us. We don't reach 27 in the daytimes in the height of summer. But rarely some inland places do, like London. We've had an alert warning today for the heat because it is very hot. We've never had one of them, I don't think, before. We get them when the weather's bad, but not when it's too hot. We're not out for long. We've been out for a little bit already, but we'll be going back again in a minute. The heather's sprouting up all over. Next thing I suspect is we'll be told we've got a drought. Because normally when we have a few days of sun, then it comes up, oh, we've got no water. Forgot my hat, can't see a thing. Oh. Oh. I'm going to sit in the shade. I'm losing my voice now. Come on, Bray. Oh. Oh. Sounds like the tractor's on his way back. I was up at the top when he came down. Well, no, he didn't. I came down. He came up with tons of water and hay. So it looks like the horses are in a paddock. But they're finding it weird not being able to come and go as they please. I wonder if people complained about them. I suspect they have. Don't matter where I go on this moor, I'm walking uphill. Oh. keep losing the phone today. Whew. Can't believe how strong that sun is. Boo. You're hot, darling. You're hot. Boo. I can hear the tractor, can't see him. Oh. I think it's another day at the woods tomorrow, don't you? Go down to the drift, down to the reservoir. Whew. Running out of places to go now where it's in the shade. The woods here is very overgrown, I think. Came out with all blood all over my legs from the thorns and that. Had a thorn in my foot. Oh. Come here. Bray. Kane. Just so that you are on the video. Oh. Oh gosh, he's low. Helicopter up there. Looks like a forces helicopter. I didn't know until my son told me the other day that we have an air ambulance in Cornwall, but they've only got one helicopter. So if they're already out doing something, then there's a naval base close by and they send their helicopters out. So maybe that's what he's been here for. Oh. Is there no flat parts in this Mowbray? All that heather over there. Oh. Keep lifting the camera up too high. I bet the beaches are packed. Kane's had enough. Don't seem to be too many horseflies. I've had one on my arm. I can still hear him. Well, there he is over there. Just seems to be hovering. Too far away for my camera to pick that up. It's even too far for my eyes now. It's disappeared. Ow. Teach me to say about them. Just got bitten on my arm. Someone's gone to see where that path leads to. Not for long though. Yeah, so the horses are over there now in that corner. They're in a paddock. I see the fence around. These two standing underneath this tree. You could have stayed there. Just going to pick up your poo bag. Right. That's it. Sorry if it's a bit short today, but we haven't done a very long walk, and time I cut out all the rubbish that I'm talking, which is most of it. Hardly anything left then today. Is that nice? Come on, get in here, not out on the road. Ray. Guess who forgot their Crocs? Ray, come here. Here. Ray, here. I know we'll hear traffic, but just in case, might be an electric car or something, we won't hear that. Here. Oh! No, you've got to run and get it. Try and keep it in the water this time. Where is it? Pick it up. You need to go over and help him, Bray. Kane, go on. Go and help Bray find that stone. Oh, phone keeps falling today. Go on, where's the stone? Is that nice, Bray? Is that lovely and cool? Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's gone. It's gone, Kane. Go and find it. Go on, go find it over there, look, with Bray. Stay this side then. Should we try the other bit up here, look? Oh. Oh, better not show that to Kane. Here, look, down here. All right. Okay, come on then, get in the car. Go home and see James. Should we go see James? Hey? He's in the car. Get in the car. No, in the car. We'll have to go home and see him. Oh, getting bitten on my leg now. Go on, in the car. In. Good boy. Come on, Brett, Kane. Where are you? In you go, babe. Good boy. Watch your head, ears, nose, whiskers. Done.